It's Pumpkin Day Mouse by Laura Numeroff and Felicia Bond. Mouse has 7 pumpkins to decorate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mouse paints a happy face on his pumpkin. This pumpkin is sad. This pumpkin has a silly face. This pumpkin looks surprised. One of the pumpkins is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eek! What is that? Boo! Dog made a scary pumpkin. Now it's time to make friendly pumpkins. Happy Pumpkin Day, Mouse!